Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is golden vanilla cupcakes. It's 100% eggless. It can be made vegan too. Just substitute the dairy products with your favorite vegan dairy products and you can get this perfect, super spongy, golden baked, very light and fluffy vanilla cupcakes. The process is also very easy. It's foolproof recipe and just follow the instructions exactly as shown in this video, and I'm sure you love making cupcakes from now on, and you'll be surprised on how easy it is to get this perfect consistency. Let's get into the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel Cupcakes. Hit the subscribe button down below and also the bell icon, because whenever I upload a video, you'll get all my notifications. I also have a Telugu channel where you can watch all these videos in Telugu. That's called Cupcakes Telugu. Please subscribe to that as well. And do check out my Instagram, Cupcakes Recipes. You'll get some amazing food photos and all the updates regarding my YouTube channels. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Firstly, I'm taking half a cup of curd or yogurt and also 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now if you're looking for vegan options, then you can just substitute the curd or yogurt with your favorite vegan dairy. You'll get the exact same consistency, very fluffy cupcakes, even if you substitute it with non-dairy products or vegan dairy. Just give it a quick mix. So basically in the eggless recipes, you want to incorporate as much air as possible into the cake batter without the egg. So this is a perfect way to get your batter very light and airy. Just keep that mixture aside till it bubbles up. Now I'm taking a large mixing bowl and I'm placing a sieve on top of it. I'm taking 3/4 cup of maida or flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm sieving them together. So whenever you sieve the dry flour or the dry powders in your cake batter, you can ensure that you get a very fine batter that is free of lumps. So you'll get a perfect texture of your final cupcakes or your cake. So into this, I'm taking 6 to 8 tablespoons of sugar. This is sugar powder. So if you want the final cupcakes to be slightly or mildly sweet, then you can add 6 tablespoons. So this works well if you're adding any frosting on top of it. Otherwise, you can add 8 tablespoons of sugar. I'm also adding half a cup of oil into the sieved dry ingredients. As you can see, the curd is perfectly bubbled up. It's very airy. Just if you move it, you can see how much air is incorporated into this. So it took me about 5 to 10 minutes to get the curd bubbled up. I'm also adding this bubbled curd into the mixture. Now the curd and the oil mixture works as the same consistency as a beaten egg. So you get a perfect eggless cupcake. I'm also adding vanilla essence into this and I'm mixing the whole batter. Now a very important tip here is to do not overmix this batter. Just mix it so that you don't have any lumps in the batter. If you overmix it, the air that we've incorporated through the curd mixture just goes away, and what you get will be a very dense, thick batter, which we don't want. So just mix it very lightly till you see no lumps. And that's it, our batter is ready. You see how simple it is to get the cake batter ready? I'm taking silicone molds here and it took me about 10 to 15 minutes only to get the batter ready. You can also set your microwave or oven to 180 degrees Celsius and let it preheat while you pour the batter into these cake molds. Do not fill these cupcake molds till the rim of these, because whenever you bake the batter, obviously it doubles up or it rises. So just add up to half the mark. Our cupcakes are ready to get baked in the microwave or oven. Now bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 26 minutes. And that's it. These cupcakes are ready. These little babies have also cracked up, so that means you got a perfect cupcake. These also look beautiful, the color is perfect. Just insert a toothpick to test if your cupcakes are done or not. If your toothpick comes out clean, then your cupcakes are ready. Allow them to cool before you eat. You can also add a nice frosting on top to make them look cute, or you can just have them as it is. These look so cute and so perfect, and it's just amazing how simple baking a cupcake is. That too, getting this perfect texture with an eggless recipe is just amazing. I love these cupcakes recipe. I've made these so many times since I filmed the video, just because of how perfect they turned out to be. They're also very, very delicious to eat. They're just perfect. I'm definitely suggesting you to try these super yummy eggless golden vanilla cupcakes. You'll love them as much as I do. You see how beautiful even the bottom of it is baked? It's so golden and so nice. You see how bouncy and fluffy it is? It's all because of the air we've incorporated. Even though the recipe might be same, it all depends on how you mix the batter also. So it's very important to not over mix the batter. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. Just look at how airy it is inside. It's so fluffy. The moment you put it in your mouth, it just melts away. It's a beautiful little bundle of happiness. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up down below and let me know in the comment section if you like this recipe or not. Please also subscribe to Cupcakes. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.